Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. And today is July 24th. Hope you guys have some great upcoming plans for this weekend here. We do got a couple items here on the economic calendar, so we'll just jump right on in. We'll start off the market manufacturing PMI for the month of July. So in June, anything on these two indexes for their market manufacturing services, anything below 50 is considered contraction, anything above is considered optimism or expansion. So as you can see here, we're just a hair under in June at 49.8. However, in July it broke through to 51.3, which is good news for manufacturing. Now, in the services sector, we had a 47.9 back in June and inch that much closer to some type of expansion to 49.6. So we're just at the edge of 50 there, 49.6 in July. So hopefully in uh, August or so, we'll see some improvement in that one. We also got new home sales for the month of June. We had 682,000 annualized units back in May. Forecasts are calling for 710,000, and actually blew that out of the water to 776. That was like about 13%, I think, increase. Huge number right there, which is a fantastic news for new home sales. We've been hearing a lot of good reports for new home sales. A lot of people making sight unseen or even virtual tours and making offers on these. And these seem to be, as people are trying to leave the urban areas, been going towards new home sales, which have been more in the suburbs, uh, moving more towards the suburbs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the headline news. So far, stocks are down this morning. We got more earnings reports, but what's more in the focus is the last two here. We got tensions, of course, with China. China retaliated from the demand to close Houston consulate to U.S. closing their Chengdu uh, consulate in China. So that was their response. Also, stimulus recovery package. We're still a bit far apart on negotiations, so it looks like this could go past the July 31st deadline that I think a lot of people were hoping to have some type of agreement in before, so that way there's no overlap in terms of that $600 a month or a week uh, unemployment. So I think that is a sticking point for a lot of people in there. Where um, so we'll have to see when and if that comes to fruition when they can come up with a new package. So, moving it forward, let's see how mortgage rates are being affected. Uh, Yesterday, we kind of had a late day surge. We lost a lot of our things earlier in the day, but we were remaining right around five point plus six for quite a bit of the day, and then towards the end there, we ended up closing down about 5 basis points. Today, we started slightly higher, about 2 basis points. Right now, we're right about even where we left off yesterday, and we're even a little bit lower. So we're getting a little bit of uncertainty right here with mortgages here, but where I would say mortgage rates are unchanged from yesterday's pricing right now, so we shouldn't have any change in pricing. Yields still about where we were yesterday, just about the 0.58 mark, but heavily fighting. As you can see, it's been really testing this floor of support today. We'll have to see if that can hold or not, because it's a lot of things are pushing. To talk about recovery and spending more money is adding more pressure onto the treasury or yields here, and that's what's kind of help pushing driving yields down further. Is talk about the recovery stimulus bill as that's more money being spent into the economy, more borrowing and stuff. So again, mortgage rates remain unchanged. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance, let's talk. These videos I do are solely my opinion. They are not representative of anyone else but my own. If you guys would like to talk a little bit about buying or refinancing, I am a loan originator. The company I work with is nationwide. We cover 48 states. We can certainly discuss how we can help you get pre-qualified to buy your next property to or purchasing next property to even refinancing. So we had quite a few different solutions we've provided in the past. We've helped a lot of people get qualified that have been turned down from other people. One of the groups of people I seem to be running into lately are the elderly, people who are retired, like to refinance, or I even had one have one that's in a purchase. They were turned down due to income qualifications, but we were able to overcome those obstacles and get those guys qualified uh, and able to one purchase their property as well as refinance. So if you guys would like to learn more how we can help you guys with your scenarios, please again reach out. I will leave my email in the in the description below, and reach out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your week, and we'll see you on Monday's video. Bye bye.